Folks, this is Wesley, $1 billion. How many of you have ever went to google.com and just searched for anything? You might say, Wesley, duh to everybody. Check it out. We go to Google to search for where to live, where to eat, where to go have fun, where to club. But listen, what if I showed you a site that's going to pay you to basically search Google? Do you know over 5 billion searches happen on Google every day? And all these people, including yourself, are not making any money. Listen, this is something that no one's using. This is brand new, and it takes no skill, no effort. And I want you to imagine something for a second. First, believing that you can do this. Second, seeing yourself bringing $20,000 by searching Google, right? Anything. Just searching Google and basically making money here. And let me show you the site. And listen, I want you to pay close attention here. And I would suggest to make money first from yourself before you share it to other people. Because listen, you're going to be so excited because it works, and it works very fast. The name of the site is mindsumo.com. Now listen up. Don't do this alone, because some of you might say, okay, I got the site, I'm going to go do it now. Listen, if you don't do it the way that I show you, you'll make $0. And unfortunately, most people that are new, like yourself, you move too fast. Be patient, slow down, listen to the entire video, okay? It's not going to be long, and it's very simple steps, but you got to do it in a very strategic way. Now listen, MindSumo, companies such as Deloitte, smash the like button if you know companies like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Delta, Sonic, even Facebook and Group on Amazon. Smash the like button if any of these companies are familiar. Well, they're credible. And unfortunately, many new people don't know how to do this because, well, obviously, you're trying to make money online, right? You want to make money on Google, but you just don't know how to do it. Listen, this is the fastest, easiest way to make money searching Google. And I'm going to show you proof, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Look, this is the proof here. Right here, this company is going to pay you $20,000 to search Google, $800 to search Google, $1,000 to search Google. And I know what you're thinking, well, Wesley, how is that possible? It can't be that easy. Listen, most things in life, especially making money online today, it's simple, it's easy, but a lot of you make it so hard because you think you have to be innovative, you think you have to be super smart. Listen, as long as you have a third grade education, you can make money right now using this technique, okay? So smash the like button, sub to the channel, because I'm about to blow your mind, okay? So check it out. What we're going to do here is we're going to create an account. Now, this was important. If you don't create the account the right way, well, you make $0. You have to do it a very strategic way to make money. Many people, they watch my videos. Some, they try to watch half through and they try to do it. But listen, that's why you're not making money, because you got to listen to everything, because every step counts. If you ever want to make money online, if you ever want to leave your job, if you ever want to make your first dollar or $1,000 online, listen up. So you click here, don't have an account, and you put in your first name here. We'll say your first name is Big Head, right? And we'll say the last name is Like West, because maybe you like West. I'm not sure if you like West, but if you did, great. Appreciate the Like West here. And we'll say you live in Houston, Texas, whatever. That's where I'm from. Smash the like button if you're from Texas, or if you like people from Texas, maybe me. Put your email address here. It's very important because this is the email address that you're going to get all your payments to for PayPal, and they do bank account, and they do Bitcoin, okay? Smash the like button if you have a PayPal, or maybe comment below if you have Bitcoin or a bank account. It's that simple. So you put your email address here, you put your password here, you put your birth date here, your gender, male here. Now, this is where it's important. Right here for creativity skills, you need to put average proficiency. You can't put low because you'll make $0. You have to at least put average proficiency here. Marketing skills, average proficiency here, and also average proficiency here. Do not select anything else because of something I got to explain to you in a second, the reason why you have to select average proficiency on here. Click all these here and just hit sign up, okay? And once you're in, you need to verify your account, and that's very simple. You just go to your email, and you just verify your account. And then, now let me tell you how you search Google, because I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, how do I search Google? I need that 20 grand. I get it. Check it out. So right here, let me show you how to make a quick $800. I've had many people do this over and over again here. Okay. Let me see here. Let me do a refresh here. Okay. You click on what is the future of NFTs. Now, listen, you might not know what the future of NFTs is, right? Now, what the crazy part is, as long as you answer these questions, they're going to pay you $800. 12 people have already been paid, or they just submitted to get paid $800. And the great thing, they're paying this to everybody, a lot of people. And all you have to do is just do this. Check it out. This is where Google comes in. You copy and paste here. You go back to google.com, right? You're going to like Wesley Virgin after this. It's that simple, right? And then you just take an article. That's it. You find something, an article, understanding NFTs, something like this. Okay? You see here? And what you do is just copy and paste. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is that plagiarism, Wes? Nope. Let me show you why not. So what you're going to do is once you copy that, you're going to go to a site by the name of spinbot.com. Very simple. Many of you already know about it. Smash the like button if you know about Spinbot. It's a lifesaver. I've made so much money. And what it does is when you paste the information here, it's going to rewrite it for you. Okay? Right? Got to do a little puzzle here. See how simple and easy this is to make a couple of $1,000s. And it's going to spin it. Right? And you copy that. Then what you want to do is just basically go back to the site again, right? You go back to the original site that you're going to make the money on MindSumo here. So we go back here, and we want to put this in a Google Doc. What I like to do, I'll put it in a Google Doc, and that's my first question here. And then I click back on here again. And what you do is you use Google to search for the answers. Now, a lot of you might say, no, Wesley, it can't be that easy. You got to realize the average person, what they try to do, they try to be super smart and say, well, I'm gonna create this amazing answer, do my research, and you make $0. Listen, it's experts already online who have already answered all these questions. All you do is use Google, you search for the answer, you Spinbot it, and you just submit it. It's that simple. Listen, do the same thing that Burger King did to McDonald's, Chase did to Bank of America. They just model other people. I want you to comment the word model other people. It's that simple. Model successful people, and you get your $800. And you continue to do this all day long. I got a friend, that's all he does. Every day he makes $2,000 a day just by finding a gig here, like $1,600. How can a shared financial advisor help your household? You just copy that, and you get a ton of answers on google.com. Smash the like button if you can do that. It's really that simple. If you don't believe me, try it. Now, check it out. I know many of you are going to do this right now, and I'm proud of you. But guess what? There is an easier way. Can I get an amen? Listen, on the internet, I lost a lot of money. In the beginning of my career, I was broke. I slept on an air mattress. It took me a long time to figure it out. And let me tell you why. Because I didn't realize that they had easier ways to make money online. I was going the hard way. And the hard way was trying to use my own brain, my own knowledge to make money. What I started to do is just use other people's products and softwares, and I made my first million. So check it out. What I'm going to give you in the description under this video here, everything I just showed you here, there's a product called Google Licks. And what it does, it basically pays you $40 to $49 every single hour to search Google. Which means is you don't have to do none of this stuff that I just showed you. It's a software that basically, like a bot, that does all this for you with a click of a button. It takes a couple of seconds to start. And guess what? You don't have to pay $1,000 a month. It's almost free. Click below. Listen, you don't have to get it, but I just want to put it out there because that's what I use. And this year I'm using nothing but software, and I'm getting it, and I'm investing every single month because my goal is to do over $100 million this year. How would you feel if you was doing $30,000 per month and all you did was go in the description under this video? You will see a link. It'll say wesleyvirgin.com, Google Licks. Get it in 24 to 48 hours. bring in $1,600, $800 using the software, not going the manual way, but being patient and realizing this is your time to make a ton of money. And if it is, great, you'll find yourself in a better situation in the next month, no doubt. But if you prefer to go the long route, if you prefer not to listen, it's up to you. But I wanted to put it out there how I love you. Listen, if you want the software, it's right there in the description under this video, in the description below. Click it, get access to it right now. If it doesn't work for you, hey, listen, no harm, no foul. But I promise you, we had over 100 people who are brand new. We're talking about moms, dads, teenagers, and they're all doing at least $500 a day. Imagine what will you do with $15,000 a month. Listen, don't sleep on this. This is a new year. The world is changing. Automation and artificial intelligence is taking over. The question is, are you going to get in now, or are you going to wait for everybody else to win and you'll be the last one to the party? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go. See you on the next page.